Once we have the bearers in place, it's time to start construction of the cabin walls. To begin, look at the instruction manual to identify which logs are used on which walls. Lay these wall logs out next to their respective sides of the cabin to allow for easy access during construction. You should bear in mind that your extension will sit up against the rear of the main cabin structure. The rear wall of the main cabin will become the rear wall of the extension. Once all of the logs are identified, we are ready to put down the first layer of the wall. The half logs will be placed on the front and back walls, while the full-size logs will be located on the sides. The face of the wall logs will overhang the outer edge of the bearers by approximately 5 mm on all sides. Next, we can attach the full-size logs with 70 mm screws, inserted at an angle, into the face of the wall logs. If done correctly, this will secure the wall logs to the bearers. Finally, we can continue to stack on new logs, tapping each into place with a rubber mallet until we get up to window height.